Hello everyone, welcome to this demo of the Smart Consultant app, Android app for the doctors. In this demo, we are going to see the setup options in this particular app. When I click on setup, I see two buttons, which is start syncing and manage this. It has its own algorithm on the app has its own algorithm on when it sends all the text, audio and picture data to the server. But in case you are sitting and reconciling the data right now and you cannot wait for that algorithm to kick in to send all the data, then you want to force it to send all the data, you click on start syncing. And if you have not yet registered on Smart Consultant, then it will actually tell you that you have not yet signed in. This will appear only for the first time when you not registered it. Once you registered the app and you've given your user ID and password, then it will never ask you for that. So in this case, it is asking me for username and password. I will go to www.smarthumanoid.com and register, and then add this user ID and password over here and log in. The second option on my setup screen is that of manage list. All the fields on my IPD, OPD and surgery screens which were getting auto completed are shown over here. So I have stopped, let's say, practicing in Fortis Hospital. All I need to do is click on minus sign over there in front of Fortis, and Fortis just goes away. Let's say I have started practicing in a new hospital. I can just type that particular name and I can click on plus sign next to it. It will add that particular value to the hospital and clinic. Now this is only for the hospital and clinic. Similarly, all the fields that you see in the different screens, this hospital / clinic that you see is the list of lists. So what this means is, let's say ward. When I click on ward over here, it will show me all the wards that are available. Now as you can see, maybe you have a ICU and ICU-A, which is not good. Okay, you just wanted a ICU over there, so I'll just click on minus sign in front of ICU-A, and that is also gone away. Similarly, let's say start time of surgery. Right now it is afternoon, evening, morning and night, but let's say I want to store it as slots where I say that 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to noon to 2 p.m. or whatever. Then I can actually click on minus, delete all this and enter new values at the bottom of the screen. So this is a brief functionality of all the setup options that are available. You are free to explore all the setup options, but please bear in mind that some of these lists that you see over here appear in multiple screens, not just one. Something like maybe surgery level and expense category will appear only in their respective screen, but others may appear in multiple, like ward, procedure. So be careful.